Hello students, I am going to teach you adverb today. So today my topic is adverb. In the end of this grammar topic, you will be able to know what is an adverb and what are the kinds of adverb. Okay, this is one of the parts of speech, children. In English, there are 8 parts of speech. Do you know that? What are the 8 parts of speech? In English, there are 8 parts of speech. What are they? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech, and an adverb is also one of the parts of speech in that family. Okay. So listen children, adverb. So what is adverb? I have written the definition here. An adverb describes a verb. Okay, so actually adverb is a describing word, but it is describing a verb. Okay, if you get an additional information about verb, that is called adverb. Okay, in the sentence, if you get more information about verb, that is called adverb. Okay, I have written one example here. Reena ran fast. Reena ran fast is my example. In this sentence, the word fast is an additional information about ran. How did Reena run? How did Reena run here, children? Fast. She is not running slowly. Okay, she did not run slowly, but she ran fast. Okay, so the word fast is an additional information about verb. Okay, in the sentence, if there is any additional information about verb, that is called adverbs, because adverb describes a verb. Okay, so in English there are 4 kinds of adverbs, children: manner reference, time reference, place reference and reason reference. Okay, so if the adverb answers to the question how, that is called manner reference. If the adverb answers to the question when, that is time reference. If the adverb answers to the question when, where, that is place reference. If the adverb answers to the question why, that is reason reference. Okay, so let us do some examples. Listen carefully, children. Listen. The first sentence is, can you read the sentence? Ravi cooks deliciously. This is the sentence. Is there an adverb in this sentence? Yes, deliciously is an adverb because it is additional information about verb. Okay, Ravi cooks deliciously. How does Ravi cook? How does Ravi cook, children? He cooks deliciously. So the word deliciously answers to the question how. This is manner reference. What is this? This is manner reference. Okay, and moving to the next example. My sister studies well. My sister studies well. In this sentence, well is an adverb because it is an additional information about verb. Okay, how does my sister study? How does my sister study, children? Well. So the word well answers to the question how. It's a manner reference. Okay, do you understand? Why is well an adverb? Because it is additional information about verb. So already I told you, an adverb describes a verb. Okay, so here the word well is an additional information about studies. Arun spoke politely. This is my next example. Arun spoke politely is my third example. Okay, in this sentence, is there an adverb? Can you find adverb in this sentence, children? Yes, politely. Because the word politely is an additional information about verb. Okay, so this is answering to the question how. So how means it's a manner reference. How did Arun speak? How did Arun speak? Arun spoke politely. Okay. And next example. This is my next example. John draws a picture beautifully. This is my fourth example. Okay. In this sentence, is there an adverb? Can you find adverb in this sentence, children? Beautifully. Why is beautifully an adverb? Can you tell me? Because beautifully is answering to the question how. Do you understand? How means it's a manner reference. Okay. John draws a picture beautifully. How does John draw a picture? How does John draw a picture? Beautifully. So the word beautifully answers to the question how. It's a manner reference. Is it clear, children? So I hope you understood. Let us do some more examples, children. The first example is Bharat came here yesterday. This is my first example. Bharat came here yesterday. In this sentence, there are two adverbs. Here, yesterday. These are adverbs. And children, can you find what kind of adverb is this? Can you find it? Bharat came here yesterday. So there are four kinds: manner reference, time reference, place reference, and reason reference. What is manner reference? If the adverb answers to the question how, that is manner reference. If the adverb answers to the question when, that is time reference. If the adverb answers to the question where, place reference. If the adverb answers to the question why, that is reason reference. See, here, Bharat came here yesterday. Here is an adverb. What reference is this? Where did Bharat came yesterday? Where did Bharat come yesterday? Where did Bharat come? Here. So, the word here answers to the question where. It's a place reference. Okay. So, this is an adverb. It's a place reference. When did Bharat come here? When did Bharat come here, children? Yesterday. So, this is time reference. If the word answers to the question when means time reference. Do you understand? Yes. Varun called me the last week. Varun called me the last week. So the last week is the time reference. When did Varun call me? The last week. So this is time reference. The last week is a time reference. Okay. Mala goes to market today. Mala goes to market today. In this sentence, there are two adverbs. To market today. Where does Mala go? To market. So this is a place reference. Today. When does Mala go? Today. So it's a time reference. Okay. How many adverbs are there? There are two. One is place reference and second one is time reference. So moving to the next example, Sheila brings an umbrella to protect. Let me read the example once again. Sheila brings an umbrella to protect. Is there an adverb in this sentence? Can you find, children? Yes, to protect. Why does Sheila bring an umbrella? Why does Sheila bring an umbrella? To protect. So this is reason. If the word answers for the question why means, that is reason reference. Okay. So why is a reason reference. So totally how many references are there in adverb? There are four. Manner, time, place and reason. So the last but not least, Ravi taught Hindi to learn. Ravi taught Hindi to learn I will add one more adverb is also here. There is no time reference, so I have added one time reference. Listen, Ravi taught Hindi to learn yesterday. Why did Ravi teach Hindi? Why did Ravi teach Hindi, children? To learn. So to learn answers to the question why. So this is recent reference. And when did Ravi teach Hindi to learn? It's a time reference. Because yesterday answers to the question when. Okay? So yesterday is a time reference. Do you understand? So I hope everyone has understood. So let me explain once again here. An adverb describes a verb. Okay, if you get an additional information about verb, that is called adverb. Okay, so there are 4 kinds: manner reference, time reference, place reference, and reason reference. Manner reference means it will be answering to the question how. Time reference means it will be answering to the question when. Place reference means it will be answering to the question where. Reason reference means it will be answering to the question why. Okay, thank you, children.